다들 이제 다베타게는 때는 참는 인지시에 그 바위 버레 드레인두스타나 다 가장 참배기 슌시디스 당시에 다 인지기 슌시 네.
In the jewel ornament of liberation, we are in the portion discussing loving kindness and compassion. Yesterday I read the text on loving kindness, so today I will read the text on compassion.
인지라 domne 야미 남바다 곰탑종서에 대다 주고대다 인지세메요 주세요 대라예나 숨데 셈제는 미비니지 쉐를 미비니지 미버 미비니지 대라 당번에 셈제 남긴 네 송고 동에라 소바 통에 니지게요 니바네 랑파베 데마실라 검사는 규례는 미시 따바다 리브르즈마를 로도 셈제신 규례 미시바다 따바다 리브르즈마나 레추념도 니지요 숨반나랑 냐브라샤네 최탐제 동번이도 도사나 심지 취니 운진제나는 개발도 니지 깨때 지게도 저주서바 냠샤베 컴베터기 조바는 운진 되게 심발에 개발도 아니지 게 제송소 대숨을 깜드는 인지 당보도 컴버차티 미베유니 심지 탐제도 나바는 동해 규단제보다 차원은 되별로 대검배 탐네 자외 말하자는 거거든. 대한 다가 자외 말의 총대는 기부 현실 제진 두밤 제지 습밤 야나 신도 캬는 류를 추부도 교대 되는 양 개된 돈은 신도 인지요. 대신도 냐와르게 심전되는 다게 마잉에나 동해 대대빈 내주나 지디 인지 미게데 대다 동해 교대 제바도 자원도 인지고 뭐 양 다가 마데 총대는 제시 건배는 예 나신 사회는 스르 직신 양화회는 빡하는 돈은 시도 니지요 대신도 이다도 개베 심전되는 다가 마잉에나 동해 대대빈 예조나 지디 님 미지디 대남 동해다 자원도 니지고 뭐양 다가 마데 총대는 개시면 보면 현다게 왕매버贵신 제밤 디진 소밤 세진 제바라서 제진 돈은 니지요 대신도 둔주 개베 심전 탐제가 다가 마잉에나 동해 대대비는 냠사나 지디 닝미지데 대남 동해다 제어로 되비니지고 야 다가마다 박스에 동도로 양서 첨보난도 신이 쇠네 미시 양사란 조시 정견에 매 대내 후와의 동해 첨보ኞ시 야르 튼뒤메베 양사 송라켄 동나 신도 닌지요 대신도 하다입니다 라마인 수면 년송의 양서 첨보난도 쇠네 디관메게와는 뽕미시 개외 신이 기는 마신 송화당에 손숨기 동해 녀시 테브라카웨네 지디 닝미지디 대남 동해다 차월되비 니지고 정배세는 란체브르즈빈 되다chen 심제 탐제라 동해다 차월되비 로 측점이 베케나 니지 정바이노 대검배 윤데 빠도메데 제레스기 도바제발레 최진연나 상기의 최탐제 러디도 샤바더브른 교대 지강시는 데다 니지 첨보 셰송소 최양 답으로 뒤변 돌래야 좀 된데 데다데 콜로규의 개별 콜로를 뭐지 강도 치버들 뽕기 쏴담지 치우 좀 된데 대신에 전주 선배 니지셔보 강도 치버들 상계기 최탐지 치우 시 송소 대신시배 상연 돌래야 상연다고 탐지 개별 이시되는 니지 자와를 충분히는 시 송소 대다라 참배 심제 남 대화 탑을 니지 동에다 차원 되잖아 란지 부시디 탑을 미드데 심제기 되는 상계 탑을 가왜 시월라 차베 님을 교이노 대단한 잠니지 유레게베 rāne shi jebra zinza na chigedo rāngyu dāba dōnga yi kāngshī shēngi dōnga gu yāndā sēpra kūni kibu tīni chō yi xie sōngba dā kibu chō ka lō kēba yīndi bēnā chamshī jimba chīmbu dābu tamchī yi shīngi nōbu tabarim buchi gēnlē chāmbā dā nīnjī tēmbē liu dī dūmbā wō.
The summary of compassion, the classification, object, its aspects, methods of practice, measure of the practice, and qualities. Thus, these 6 completely comprise the study and practice of immeasurable compassion. The classification. There are 3 types of compassion. Compassion with focused on sentient beings, compassion focused on phenomena, and non-referential compassion. Of these, the first one means to develop compassion by seeing the suffering of sentient beings in the lower realms and so forth. The second one means that when one is well trained in the practice of the 4 Noble Truths, understands cause and result, and is dispelled holding permanence and solidity, compassion arises to those sentient beings who are confused and hold permanence and solidity through not understanding cause and result. The third is when one is established in equipoise and realizes all phenomena of the nature of emptiness, compassion arises especially for those sentient beings who perceive everything as real. As it is said, bodhisattvas who maintain the state of equipoise and develop the power of the perfection of the practice develop compassion especially for those who are grasped by the demons of holding all as real. Of these 3 types of compassion, we will meditate upon the first one. The object of compassion, the object on whom compassion is focused, is all sentient beings. The aspect of compassion is a mind that wishes all sentient beings to be free of suffering and its cause. The method of practice. We engage in this practice through our feelings for this life's mother. Suppose my mother was in a place where someone beat her, cut her to pieces, cooked or burned her in a fire, or suppose she was freezing cold and her body was blistering. You would develop extreme compassion for her. Likewise, for all sentient beings in the hell realms whom we recognize as being our mothers are tortured by these kinds of suffering. Why would we not feel compassion for them? So one should meditate on a compassionate desire to free such beings from suffering and its causes. Also, if my mother was in a place where she suffered from thirst and hunger, tortured by sickness, fever, fear, and a feeling of helplessness, then I would develop extreme compassion. Likewise, recognizing that sentient beings of the hungry ghost realm have been our mothers, they are also tortured by these kinds of suffering. Why would compassion not arise for them? So meditate upon a compassionate desire to free such beings from suffering. Also, if my mother was in a place where she suffered aging and weakness, was enslaved without choice, beaten, killed, and cut, and so forth, then I would develop extreme compassion. Likewise, the sentient beings in the animal realm, whom we recognize as our mothers, are suffering in this way. Why would compassion not arise? So meditate upon a compassionate desire to free such beings from all their sufferings. Also, if my mother was near a precipice over which she could fall for 1,000 leagues, was unaware of this danger, and no one showed it to her, and once she fell into the abyss, she would experience great suffering and be unable to climb out again, then I would develop extreme compassion. Likewise, the gods, humans, and demigods are near the dangerous precipice of the lower realms. They have no awareness that they should avoid negative actions. They have not met spiritual masters. Once they fall down, it would be difficult for them to come out of the 3 lower realms. Why would we not feel compassion for them? So meditate only on a compassionate desire to free such beings from these sufferings. The measure of the practice. When one has fully purified self-cherishing, is fully released or cut from the chain of self-cherishing, when from the depths of the mind one desires all sentient beings to be free from suffering, then one has perfected the practice of compassion. The qualities of the practice. Limitless qualities arise from the practice of this meditation. The expression of the realization of Chenrezig says, if one had just one quality, it would be as if all the Buddha's Dharma were in the palm of your hand. What is that quality? Great compassion. The accomplishment of the Dharmadhatu Sutra says, Blessed One, wherever the precious wheel of the great monarch is found, there all his troops are. Blessed One, likewise, wherever the great compassion of the Bodhisattva is found, there will be found all the Dharmas of the Buddhas. The Showing the Secrets of the Tathagata Sutra says, Guyapati, the primordial wisdom of the omniscient one, grows from the root of compassion. Thus, when through loving kindness one wants all beings to achieve happiness, and through compassion one wants all beings to be free from suffering, then one is no longer interested in achieving one's own peace and happiness. Then one is delighted to attain Buddhahood for the benefit of all beings. This becomes the remedy to attachment to the pleasure of peace. Thus, by developing loving kindness and compassion in the mind, one cherishes others more than oneself. The lamp for the path to enlightenment says, those persons who, from the suffering in their own being, truly wish to fully end all miseries of others are supreme. Thus one cultivates the mind of the Supreme Being. For example, see the story of Brahma Mahadatta. This is the 7th chapter dealing with loving kindness and compassion from the jewel ornament of liberation, the wish-fulfilling gem of the true Dharma.
다디 나로래야 참바드 인지대 맥급들이야 슝지 가셔래야 저거 양관 가셔지 요래 대래야디 참바 공백급이야 총 부부점에 체약부점도 예사지 기재죠 참바 공백급들이야 근데 마이 팅셰백급이야 다 마이 팅셰백급이야 근데 마디 가서 류게베 팅셰백급 류게베 팅셰백급이야 타마들이야 총 부부점에 소경신 체약부점도 예배 있는 타겐기 뱀미저 더 버전 somewhere 망보지가 나로래야 파시 푸다 푸 파시 푸부점도 깨내서라고 이내야 다디 고안 푸부사들이야 고안 미세게 민도스 드레인주사는 푸르부인사레스 파시 푸르푸르 파시 푸르푸르 푸부점도 깨내 체 양보점도 깨버렸어 케푸부점은 소저 체 양보점 푸부사다 가르잖아 가르잖아 체 약보점스도 야능신 깨버려버렸어 당부 충중 포르바점 야도야게 야데 살라마 더두산에 야게 탁바게 되는 푸르반더버지라 푸르바데 살라마 디셔두산에 되게 푸르반더 충중중 알았어 네 두산데 이겨서 되네 당부 푸르바점마다 야만 되는데 야점지 쇠버려서 했겠죠.
Now in this chapter on loving kindness and compassion, there are some words in the text which need some explanation. The first of these is during the section on the loving kindness, and it is in the portion of describing the kindness of mother under the method of practice on page 126 at the bottom, where it reads, after we were born, from a small worm until we were fully grown, she developed our body. So that is the English translation. Now, this is based on one of the Tibetan editions, and there are many different Tibetan editions, many of which talk about it as being is the syllable pu, which doesn't make much sense in Tibetan. It's translated here as a small worm. Actually, it is a mistake in the Tibetan. It should read purbu, which would be steak. So when you have so you're born the size of a steak. Now a small steak is when you tie it to the lead around a yak's neck, then you can plant the stake in the ground and it keeps the yak from wandering off. And so you're born the size of that small steak, and then you grow to the size of the yak.
가와체비 진이 커돌이야 가와체비 진셰베 커돌이야 파몰람도 균 까르진 샤르균 진바따르시 네마 짜도 첩 진셰 칠러진 동셰 밀레치네 서긴 불라치베 인사디 커돌들 드시지기 여거르시도 된드시지 고도 디가와체베 진
Also, during the section on the kindness of undergoing hardships for you, there are some lines in here that need explanation, and I believe it is the section that is she did not give us just things that she did not need, rather she gave us what she did not dare to use for herself, and so forth.
다지랑 그 밤함도 교회사디 다 인생에서 대대 아주 벽이 담벨이야 되네 눕가라다 공치에서 지겨래 세두산에 아마디 남균에지 공다 치슈 년겐데 아마체 쇼뱅아쇼 랑겐데 아마 되네 두산에 그래 나라니 치체 되지요레스 단 인진 대고매 깔래게 기절해 저디
This is actually a little bit further down. It is the section where it says she accumulated wealth by working at a business or farm and so forth, wearing the frost for shoes, wearing the stars as a hat, riding on the horse of her legs, her hem like a whip, giving her legs to the dogs and her face to the people. In this portion where it says wearing the frost for shoes and the stars as a hat, this means that she's been working day and night. It's like there's a Tibetan saying where the most compassionate one who stays up late and gets up earliest. It's the mother who in the family stays up the latest, and she also gets up earliest in the morning, and so this is one example of her kindness.
대한 밤물함도 교인세두산에 쇼베 나볼이야 베는 자티술라 실버세르 파다듯이 다 밤모세 차요다 시버만에 시버지보만다 밤모세 차요 밤모마의 공에 로고예베 인상 밤모마의 공에 되는 밤모예베 사이 띵라 강바샤는 로고예베 인상 뒤균자되네 밤모함도 교스 밤모데 한거는 시지 근데 어렸을 다 간다 밤모 마예베 띵도 로고예베 인상 뒤균자되네 밤모함도 교스 Garchin Shar Kyusana, Shobe Kama Talamlam Shadeve Walla, Karma Tisu, Nima Mashar, Keri Mashar, Kama Talam Shadeve Walla, Drogu Yubi Insan, then Karmati Shamoli Kubanan Sink, T Wall and Drogu Yubi Insan, then Garchin Shar Kyus.
And so where it says wearing frost for her shoes, that means that it's like the early morning when there is hoarfrost on all the grass. This is the frost that forms before the sun rises. And what it means is that the mother needs to go out in the morning. She needs to walk on the frosty ground, and so before the sun has struck it and melted. And so it means that she needs to go out early. Since she needs to walk on this frost, it's as if she is wearing the frost for her shoes. And then it says wearing the stars as her hat. What this means is that in the morning before dawn, all the stars are shining very bright. And as they're shining brightly, then she needs to go out at that time while they're still shining brightly. So she is wearing, so it says she is wearing them like her hat.
Chimba Tarshu Nema Chato Tepsiduzana. Chimba Sade Karasana Kangba Digi Shadow Dostua Nyar Shajorva Gambe Nyar Shajor. Or the Dimilia Chimba Sarva, the Nilusan Chimba de Tanan Shishun in Ruarta, Pazo Drudusana, Sindakura, Pazo Drag, Umaina, Morasa Rabatang, Tagana Shingi, Sindapashana, the cycle. The Jakta, the Jakta, the Kaya Yamar, the Kambazun Roare, Kambazo Dusane, and the Nidusan Samsam Bay, Ronin Nyadus Nane, the Richor, the Nidusane, Chimba de Tata was shown in Ruares, Nanma Chado Tepsa, the Nanma de Carasana, Din Kugi Tajorva, Nambu Kugi, Kugi Tandav, the Kugi Bena Kugi Gamasere, not very Gamas, Kugi Tandav, the name Padro Sundro Chidusan Tebe Caroli, Bena Tashin Dusan Tala Taja Sergio, Tala Taja Shun, Tala Taja Shun, or the Tennessee Chene. 디 남부 가맘 남부기 타데 데네 딱 따자는 지체네 반도 준도 지도잖아 반도 준도 chen 남부 디 괴기 타트 중앙 봐 세네 다 반도 준도 지도 샤려야 포네 반도 지고 봐 나마 따자다 잡는 신 데네 파주 다 가다 파주 망못 저 기세르다
Then it says, riding on the horse of her legs, her hem like a whip. And so riding on the horse of her legs, this actually in Tibetan refers to the calves of her legs. The calves of the legs, the flesh behind the shins, these are like compared to a horse. This is because in the old days, they didn't have any cars, or forget about cars, or even bicycles. Everywhere she had to go on foot. And when you go, then when you have to walk a lot, then your calves begin to ache. And so this is talking about needing to ride on the horse of her calves, that is her legs. And then it says her hem like a whip. So this is the hem of her dress, and it means that the hem of the dress is flapping back and forth and striking the back of her legs. It's like when you're riding on a horse, you have a riding crop or a whip, and you strike the horse with the whip or the riding crop. And so as she walks back and forth, the hems of her skirts move back and forth and strike the backs of her legs. It's as if they're whipping her forward like a riding crop. And so that is the meaning of this instruction of this riding on the horse of her legs, her hem like a whip. It basically means that she has to go all over the place.
다들 진짜 실례지 동샤 밀레 진사도 다바 쳐바로 쳐비면 진샤사도 당기 되나지 진바사도 냐르지레 다 냐레 진샤스 진샤 실례 진사도 사네 파즈도 아종마 추주가도 디 냠뇨요 아래 파즈도 사네다 로바트 졸래야 데네 미자르 고자라 키르 다셔봐 근데 미잔티나 로고나 참sam다 키디 신한티 지요래 키디 좀 마체 키디 지 쇼려나 람사 다 그리고 마셔 냐인 냐라 소자요로 진발 소자요로 근데 비자 진짜 칠레 진스도산 다 거두이네 지 미잔티데 괴잘 로네 다 가르쇼지 니즈 강에는 초보이네 미잔티데 잔 로고나 아니 당부 키디 년가지 요아르스 치디기 소자 년가지 요데 테네 동샤 밀레 진세도 동샤 밀레 진세도 사네 다미 신다 자리야 아니 수수베 동바 떼네 로고 동바 떼네 쇼와 떼네 다 꾸지 다 꾸첸데 송첸 토첸 다 꾸지 당알아 직제로치 말아 직제로치 사르 드니지 쇼와 떼네 로고르스 인도산나 동샤 밀레 친스도산나 다 동발랑 모사르비스나 멜치다 간다르 동바테네 미상말이야 수수 동바테네 쇼아테가 조고요레스
Then it says, giving her legs to the dogs and her face to the people. So the legs, again, refers to the calves of her legs. And giving it to the dogs, this is something that I experienced when I was young. When you are a nomad, every nomad household has a dog, a big mastiff that they put outside their tent, and they can be pretty fierce. And so if you want to go visit someone or go to someone else's tent, then you have to get past the dogs to do that. They're the first ones to get you there. And if they manage to get you, then they will bite you, first of all, in your legs, in the calves of your legs. And so that is giving your legs to the dogs. And then it says her face to the people. So giving her face to the people is when you approach this another family's place, then whatever reason that you have to go, first of all you have to get past the dog. You have to give your legs to the dogs, and then you have to show your face to the people, which means that you have to go there, you have to go there openly, showing your face. You have to say, oh, please help me. I need this. I need that. You have to go there. You can't be embarrassed about this. And so this means that she's giving. This is what giving her legs to the dogs and her face to the people means.
다드네 도대기에 놓으상 참배 커도래 참바시베 커도래 도대기에 놓으상 저스 무슨 부직 바라자 인기 강가 코는 참바시 디슈들래 다들 시야고서 다들 디슈들라 참바 첨부 이노스 대답 심지 탐제 냠게 이게잖아 참바 체매바 이노사도가 대답 심지 탐제라 냠게 이제잖아 사디 냠게 이게잖아 사디 가시에디 냠게사데 까다게사데 타르겐기 백하시엘레 냠니 이게사나스 냠바니도 게사나스 근데 베드르 지스도스 다이네 냠게기 게사나사데 퍼지 다닝바입니다 다닝바 드린두사나 다라 다닝바사나다도 다 유게너지 유기게너지 유기게 다 룽바수수게 여러봐 유게너지 니지입니다 드린두사나 다라 샤나 고대로 유사레스 냠게스 냠니다 전다지고를 집니다 전다지고 있는 냠게스야데 유기게너지 롱바수수게너지 스레스 다다라 샤샤는 그거스.
Also, in the section immediately after the quotation from the ornament of the Mahayana Sutras, on the top of page 129 of the English translation, the end of the first paragraph, it reads, if one directs this kind of mind toward all sentient beings equally, it is called immeasurable's loving kindness. Now, there are different Tibetan editions here, and in some of the Tibetan editions, it uses the Dharma term nyampanyi, which is like the equality. In others, it uses equanimity. And in others, it says nyamke, which is means equally. And so here, this is probably just an old archaic expression or a regional expression. And so it should be equally, not equanimity.
No, it's leave it there.
So it should be left. It should be left as the archaic construction.
다드네 참배 표현시에 걸려야 주체 숨게 카세 타사디人间听了 롱타네 주체 숨게 카세 타사디 다 주체 숨게 카세 타사디 주체 숨게 사디 주체 사디 자막은 충충기 나라를 最下位给 카세 좋아하시는데요. 자고 지긴 사람들도 해야 돼서 자고 날로지 지긴 지어베 자고 지긴 다 먹다. 근데 자마 춘춘 날로래 엄마 야갈 자마 춘춘 날로지 칼라시면 되요스레. 디민리아 주체스레 주체 주체사. 대 이나야 다 타르겐기 빼망부 나라 가르치죠잖아. 차나로 최다 최 지셔레스. 대 차나로 최다 최사디 인사 말했다. 대 가르로디人间 情况来说吧 근데 아주 땡규르게 난기 슈망부 나로 차나로 최사 최 지도스. 드린주산에 다티 가르스나 자막은 춘춘나를 最下的 칼라이 인상 最把的 차나로 최다 최스 차나로 최사 최스 하려고 그러와 자마 충충의 最下的 칼라이 드린주산 차나로 최다 최마이면 차나로 최사 최
Now also below that, in the discussion on the qualities of the practice, there is the quotation from the precious jewel garland, which reads, "Food cooked in 300 pots and given to people 3 times a day." So where it says food cooked in 300 pots, here this means that there are dishes. This is must have been an ancient Indian specialty where you cook a single serving of something in a clay pot. It's like you have clay pot chicken. You have chicken that you cook in clay pots these days. So similarly, back in ancient India, they would have these delicacies that they cooked each in their own small clay pot. So that is what it is, what it refers to. Now, in different editions of the Jewel Ornament of Liberation, the verb cooked is changed for a different verb, which sounds the same but spelt differently and means measured, and that is not true, or that is not correct. If you look at the text of the precious jewel garland as found in the Tibetan tenjur, then it is definitely cooked. So it is food that has been cooked in the 300 pots.
Oh yeah, that is the same okay. That ne. Oh yeah. 다도나 아주지 가장 온도 주변에 최 티버침부 최인바 점이 미쳐봐 가사도 티버침부로 수버지 티버침부 차버지 제거하되 개좀 쉽차대요.
And so as we discussed yesterday, it is not enough for the Dharma to merely be the Mahayana Dharma. It's also important for the individual to enter the Mahayana, or the individual to become the Mahayana individual.
조지 반대 어디샤기 실링 버쳔볼래야 코랑가 라마 실링 버쳔볼래야 셴다 민저베기 코랑기 딱가주래지 구바당 전에 그 차도 구바침부즈레스 차도 구바침부즈레 다들이야 케게든 라마 지당가 조지라 라마 망보예베는 라마 실링벌 딘데 구번제고 위균진 강의 수주사는 나라 자다 sempa sambo yevadi sempa sambo yare sempa sambo yevadi lama stiling be good is the sunares teneji tembegi nenga kimbegi dares nenga shebe dares ji sempa sambo sar chanjuk serwa wada chanjuk semdi 오늘은 개침 보임바 자침 보임바 디 티버침벌 디 개침 보임바 자침 보임바 디 켄네 nenga kimbe daare desunda.
Now, Atisha had a really particular respect and devotion towards his master Selingpa. Of course, Atisha had many different lamas, but he respected Selingpa especially strongly, and was especially devoted to him. And the reason for this was, as he said, I have somewhat of a kind heart, and this is because of Serlingpa's kindness. This is a sign that he knows the main point of the teachings. And so when we say kind heart here, then this means bodhicitta. It is understanding how sacred that is, how important it is. And understanding how important this bodhicitta is for the Mahayana. And so this is a sign that he knew the main points of the Dharma.
Today in Hindustan, Lama Mamboji that Namjung Razu teaching in Jugo, Semge, Nagin Jugo, Wang is the Sungyare, the Nea Lama Mamboji, Persian the Sanga Nigi, Persian the Sanga Tiba Kala Jubo Yimina, Jugo de Chanjukism Kona Res, to the Sunyan day on the other.
Now, many lamas often say that the gate to enter the Mahayana is bodhicitta. The gate to enter the secret mantra Vajrayana is the empowerment. But there are some that say whatever path it is we are embarking upon, whether the path of Prajnaparamita or the path of the secret mantras, the only gate into that path is bodhicitta.
다 간다는 대기배 수지 개첨부 수지 임바 전투가 다들 대신 먹고 싶어가지 너나 야양 근백에 가르쳐서는 안한주 미상월로지 대지 따와 최게 토버트저로 나와야 알았어 최게 토버 최게 제 토버트저로야 가와야 알았어 네 강요 말에 담제 동발에 에너지 가로 사르브지 최게 토버트저로 가와야 알았어 에너지 최 에너지 베는 캠프도 심게 고르게 쉐비네 시라라 좀 해보시라요 말았어.
And this is extremely important. This is a critical point. And so basically it is as Yangumpa, the great master Yangumpa said, everyone a lot of people really like the high words, the lofty words about the difficult points. They like to say, nothing really exists, everything is emptiness, and such words. But when we talk about refuge and bodhicitta, they do not take much interest.
나라라데 제리니레데 토뇨 다 가두이네지 가르쳐지 튜몽 응원으로부터 잠들심게로 시에다 다들 가두이네 데르지 다데 ညob네 섬으로 다시 데데 다 텔레 토저로 텔레 섭저로 가 시야요 말아비사데 근데 나라 제리니레 토뇨.
And so I've met a few people like this, and so whenever we talk about the common preliminaries of refuge and bodhicitta, they say, oh, you're always talking about that. We're kind of bored with those. Can't you talk about something higher, something more profound?
다제래야 다들이 니지 고백거스 바위 임브레 나 니지 셰베거스 바위 인주사나 다니지 델리아 다니기래야 코람 니지께와래 제벌이야 되네 미바데 semjenina nijimi yinbe kabaru chadiare bena chansim gyuntawa dizula yang dene bena semjena sange ni shebe yimina semjena sange ni shebe yimina ane semjen bena chansim gyuntawa dizula yang dugun chamo yes sungdo dungeda gun chamo yes 되게 기제 지시야 박사를 주면서 공만도다 주나르요 니랑 주버를 주요 공만도 단도나 니지미 롱그레스 손제다 건도나 semjen이나 니지미도 자롱에게다 캬바르도 수요가 송요하레스.
Now here in this context of discussing compassion, when we're developing compassion, there are the beings whom we focus upon, and it is said that all sentient beings, if a being is a sentient being, then they are worthy of compassion. Even bodhisattvas in their last birth, when we divide between Buddhas and sentient beings, bodhisattvas in their last birth are considered sentient beings, and they also have a very subtle amount of suffering and the origin of suffering. They have the imprints of these. They have the dualistic perceptions and the confused perceptions, and so even it is said to be appropriate to even have compassion for them. And so basically, if someone is a sentient being, they are worthy of compassion.
Telayam Tivachum Dodigin Nalola Tene Rambar Jai wanted to Dungaki Bes, Jason Tudan Jela Shiens, Last Sobata Degi, Karjueji, Ninji Miyu Samarwe, Ninji Miyu Chusunar, Ninji Miyu Chu. Tati Ninji Miyu Chu de Penan Debe Dewala Chap, Rambar Jai wanted to Sonsa, Rabdum Barwe Jai, Rabdum Barwa Sedusane. Number 7 somar dege jai wando sonala sonadang seduzone dege debe dewala chabata dan dana singi gewegi chede nyamle chebe kolya dugi parche chebadang ane nyeson sundu dongyewadang dan dana siembada nyabala soba ane message le ba digbele janga sa dengi tizu당 等于 용수 양해를 믿어요 최신 용수 양해를 믿어요 최신 사디 다 릭제를 차디요 다디 내가 릭제를 없이 맞아 다 내가 릭제를 없이 반 드시게면 저기 주세요 내가 릭제를 없이 드시 텔라 써봐 진짜게 니지 미유 주소 니지 제거서 미유 주
In the ornament of the Mahayana Sutras, it discusses 10 different objects of our compassion. It mentions the enemy, the blazing, those under the power of their blazing enemies, those on the brink of the lower realms, and so forth. And so these are 10 different types of beings who are suitable for, who are worthy of our compassion. And the first of them, those who are under the power of the blazing enemies, these mean those, so the blazing here refers to the power of violence or hatred, and so this indicates people who are under the power of desire. And likewise, there are other objects of compassion, those who face different obstacles, those who are have fallen into the lower realms, butchers, fishermen, and so forth. So when you say butchers, fishermen, and so forth, these are the beings. These are people who spend their entire lives doing only misdeeds and unvirtues. And then it also says those who will not awake to nirvana. When we say those who will not awake to nirvana, these means people who are temporarily in the family of those whose potential is cut off. Their potential for enlightenment is cut off. They're temporarily considered in this family, and then so forth. So in this way, here it talks about 10. In that passage, it talks about 10 different objects for compassion.
다들 니지기 남바 니지기다 진단지 셰비미나 동해다 차버되는 남바지 동해다 차버되는 남바지지 그래 아 동해다 차버되는 남바지 비 비싸네 텔라양 가장 공도시는 신기 동해다 태나 찌마롱 삼바르지 텐데시기 가르레 남바직당 다나시 동해다 태워 규르지 삼바르 텐데가 남바제지당 근데 다나신기 동해다 태워 차오 냠바르 텐데가 남바제지디 다 남바숨도 요청해요
Now, also, next it talks about the aspects of compassion. So the aspect of compassion, or the manner in which that it apprehends, is the wish to free from suffering. And so, as we mentioned yesterday, there are three different aspects here. There is the aspect of the wish to wish. There is the aspect of wishing, wouldn't it be wonderful if they are free of suffering? The second aspect is saying, may they be free of suffering. And then the third would be, may I make them free of suffering.
Niji gumsu delayang da kashwe di nazoji oda gombe kurimru shevi minna gombe kurimru shevi na ane kashwe da ji tambo rangla da nindu dube kansa drijin gozo ne gombe ina gomle la yoba sonre Hindustane ane ji rangi nyenda tene 파마당 tene dala sogal ane komna rimbesh komna chugare.
There are various different methods for meditating upon compassion. In terms of the order for meditating upon it, if we begin by meditating for an individual who is dear to us, it is easier. And so for that reason, we begin by meditating upon compassion for our relatives and friends and so forth, up to our enemies. We meditate in this order.
다들 참복 군주들이야. 참복 군주들이야. 그럼 참복받다 인지 군주들이야. 나 저주야 그랬다. 인지 군주들이야. 인지 군주 개버체베입니다. 인지 군주 개버체베입니다. 되네 전주선배 살을 쏘는 신기. 심전 탐지 동해 야스 주의 나를 주삼네 심전 탐지 동해 대달을 죄외기 죄외는 되봐 계거에 말해.
Now, of the many different methods for meditating upon compassion, one is what is taught in the Bodhisattva levels by Asanga. And this is explained, this is a great detail. And so this is thinking about the hundreds of sufferings that oppress sentient beings and meditating upon those as a way to cultivate compassion.
다 뒤버체베입니다. 곰림라스 까말라실레 곰림니 손베게 다 동해 계단 동해 출라서바다 된대게 너주 페나 다티 남줄람림 카톨리아 기본 증거 카톨 송구엽다 인도스탄은 기본 증거 카톨리아 에너지 동해 주당 다 동해 숨다 동해 주당 동해 계라서바 나 된대게 너주 시에요 인도스탄은 되는 시체네 공부엽다.
A shorter method is the one taught by Kamalashila in his text, The Stages of Meditation, the Bhavanakrama, where it talks about considering the 8 or 16 different ways that sentient beings are oppressed by suffering. This is also described in the Lamrim text, the texts on the stages of the path. In the medium Lamrim text, it talks about considering the 3, 6, or 8, or so forth, different sufferings that sentient beings experience, and meditating on compassion thus.
대양 지단기 제 동해에서 상월로 랑기 띵도 동해 디수 용단라 삼나 민중 그 삼바 계획 균조레스 안에 심지 시행기딩도 안에 동해 대다가 너주 삼바 임비나 니 시험바 계획 균조레스 안드레 뉴스안에 남주 민중다 삼바 사디 민중당 안 가르쳐 니 시험바 사데 카 가르쳐 파르타 수대 개발 레스제 남주 순거 아래 카 파르타 수대 잡아 카 파르데 파르심진 시행 대비면 인지 저거스 카수 소소리아 대비미나 아니 인주 저거스 다 멜롱무니마 멜롱무니마담 잠깐 무니마 소머로다 코인 무니마도 찍버레스 드레스 거 알아요.
Now, generally, when we think about the sufferings, if we think about suffering in relation to our own beings, our own experience, then this gives us the wish for liberation. When we think about how others are oppressed or tormented by these sufferings, then they become the basis or the cause of compassion and affection. And so in this way, the difference between the wish for liberation and compassion is a question of whether we are looking at others or at ourselves. When we are looking at others, then it is compassion. When we are looking at ourselves, then it becomes the wish for liberation. It's like these two are the two sides of the same coin. The coin may have two faces, but it's actually the same coin.
Dona simje shenleya pen dober chevleya dewa da teber chadan dungye da teber cha de na la madube simje gi shendu rudan ji mebre dene teya de dendebe gi dewa da teber chawala tomar dungye mi dewa mesu samgo bada dungye da teber chawala dungye ve su samgo badi 오늘 저거 왜 말해? 동해 수산바. 동해 수산바. 나랑 좋다스다. 다동 대화다 채버 채와라. 저 가서 대외 폼비 수 사실 줄었어.
Now, if we wish to help sentient beings, if we wish to help sentient beings, there is no method for helping sentient beings that is not included within bringing them happiness and freeing them from suffering. And so, if we want to bring sentient beings happiness, then we first need to think about how they are deprived of happiness. And in thinking about that, we need to think how they are inserted in the midst or enmeshed in suffering.
Bena Sankachumdende Gulia Dewa Mebadang Dunge Yevasadi Samtang Mebrita Sankachumdende Gulia Dewa Miludang 동해 주상아지 매비 인두산에 상계 좀 된데 대화다 텐더도 동해다 텐더기 로스야데 바지게 매비입니다. 인두산 디균셀 되네 대화 밀루당 동해기 응알루 대 응은도 섬거바데 개좀 차대요 아래.
For example, there's no way we could say that there's no happiness and that there is suffering within the experience or the continuum of a Buddha. It's inconceivable that a Buddha would lack happiness and not be free of suffering. And so, for that reason, it's impossible that we could have a wish to bring the Buddha happiness or the wish to free the Buddha from suffering. And so, for this reason, when we think about when we think about sentient beings, it's important that we first think about how it is that they are deprived of happiness and how it is that they are oppressed or tormented by sufferings.
어다 진짜게 삼로 동당기 개발을 되네 되네 닌지라 개발 주고요 그래 배나 년퇴당 년퇴당 장심을게 장심을 닌지 tại chỉ nhìn gì vậy mà怎ra này à? anh thấy là à, nhìn thấy cái nhìn gì đang sáng sớm nhìn gì là, kia bơi vậy.
Also, just as there are differences in the way people think and people's attitudes, there are also distinctions in their compassion. For example, the listeners and the bodhisattvas are similar in having compassion, but there is a distinction between the compassion of the listeners and the compassion of the bodhisattvas.
대한 전주스에 살래 가르치는 어르사람 년퇴 통람바 춘이 이된 방원도 제심바 서머베다 돈이 떠봐 서머로 돈이 무슨 떠배 가 년퇴 통람바당 단다는 년퇴 자정바 되서 동해 통화래 전주 선바돼서 인지 겁네 동해 삼바데 마야를 송
For example, it says in the Bodhisattva Bhumis, the levels of the Bodhisattva by Asanga, it says that in comparison to the listener's realization of the nature of things at the stage of the path of meditation and the listener arhat's realization of selflessness, the listener arhat's realization, the bodhisattvas have more thoughts of compassion.
다대양 티와치중기 다 인지를 야치중기 개화시라요 버레스 배나 미유 야치중 나바 야치중 아니 다가는 신기 가르쳐다지自动 진짜비 인지 동화 제 동화 sommerwe 인지 동화 야치중라서 되게 개화 뭐요 그랬어
And so in this way, between the differing vehicles, there is a difference in the scale of their compassions. There's a difference in the scale of the objects that they focus their compassion on. There's a difference in the scale of the aspects of their compassion. And likewise, there is a difference in the fervor of their compassion, or the longing of their compassion.
대한 미유기 개발을 제외입니다. 지당기 전에 티버 멤버 뒤주기 지당기 심제 탐지래야 미비기 인지지여베 이내양 심쟁이 체라다 레레네 sommerwe 심쟁이 체라 타예발래야 되네 미그마레스 심쟁이 체라 타예발래 미그마레스 전주 사바남 얘기 심쟁이 체라 타예발래야 심쟁이 체라다 야와 타예발래 미네 니지 공부여베 인두산에 미유 개발해야 알았어. 미유 야시종 개발해야 알았어.
The distinction in the extent of their focus is that in the foundation vehicles they do meditate upon compassion focused on all sentient beings, but they do not focus on all the infinite different types of sentient beings, each of the infinite different types of sentient beings. Whereas the bodhisattvas do meditate upon compassion for the infinite different types of types or particular sentient beings. And so in this way there is a distinction in the focus of their meditation.
다들이야 배수의 주의입니다. 지당 강바디 나는 예배기 미탐질 야 아니 심 미탐질 동해다 태워 쇼지냐베 로게야데 지 되서 된저의 체빈 this 레라버시 이번에 강바디 난게 심지 리신도 미네 되네 니지 공부 전화 띠지 레라비오만 배나 양 뺄래 빼샤다 뺄래 빼샤나 다들이야 베나 캄바디 나로래야 미타 레첨보 진유네 레첨보 진유네 캄바디 난게 미탐진 골바 갑샤데 레라버쇼 레첨보니 고강 갑샤데 레라버 다임베네 레첨보데 파 차네 제 미르를 샤모로 쏘고쇼나 레라베 마타 지중 미르를 디디 골 지중 요아래 드니 다나 신기 골 지중 예베 인두스탄에 샤모 쏘고존 레라베 마네 어데는 신기 남중 알아서 심제 담제 동해다 제와 쇼지 삼삼 동아디 직잖아 갈라카브레디 직잖아 레라브레 이나야 심제기 다파 지카르 바 체자 망부질 삼단 지 가르르다지 베나 신다 예와 망부치오 말해 베나 심젠텔이야 장년 파마송이 예와체 다 자텔 니지 공시 지당 심제 담지 동해다 제와 규지 삼바들 레라부터 봐 다이나 장년 파마송 딜 심젠텔 장년 파마송이 예와체 다 소수기 당에 자텔 니지 공시사나 레라부면 봐 지당기 남주 지 심자담 동해다 태워 쇼징념 삼동아 걸다 자든 뒤뒤에 끼차래 이나 텔 믹스 카르네 텔 니제케 고메마 다 믹스 카르네 니제 고메온데 레라베마 드레인주 티준zel 데네 데네 다디 미유기 캬바데 데여베인 소라
To illustrate this, for if the thought, it would be fairly easy for us to think, may all of the beings within this building be free of suffering. In terms of the relations between all of us, it would be rather easy to think about that. But if we were to think about each individual within this, that would be it wouldn't be so easy to have compassion for each single being in this. Now, to give an analogy, like an analogy for the analogy, if we were to get one big cloth and cover everyone in this building with one single piece of fabric, that would be relatively easy to do. That's like, but if we were to try to take that fabric and then make a hat for each individual person in this building, that would be more difficult because people have different size heads. So you have to you can't just make the same hat for everyone. And so in the same way, when we say, may all sentient beings be free of suffering, then perhaps that's difficult, but in another aspect, it is hard. But if we think about the particular sentient beings, there are so many different sentient beings that it is very difficult to do this. For example, like when we think about the different categories of sentient beings, if we talk about those who are close, those who are neutral, and those who are enemies, then if we say it, then it's very difficult to meditate upon compassion for our enemies. When we say we want all sentient beings to be free of suffering, it's very easy to say that. But when you talk about particularly calling out your enemies and thinking of them with compassion, then that is not such a simple matter. So when we say may all that we're meditating upon compassion for all sentient beings, then of course our enemies are included within that, but we are not particularly meditating upon them specifically. And so it is not so easy to meditate upon compassion for every particular sentient beings. And so in this way, there is a distinction in the focus of the meditations.
다들 남밤 진당기 차는 양 ane kyabaya oras. Karasana nyarang simjen nyarang ninji di simjen tamje 동해다 전대 잠시당 동해다 테나 삼바도 마도베 요마레스. 티그바 침비디 심jen tamje 녀바 삼제를 껴베 쿠르케르네. 쿠르케벤 진단다 제바 쿠르케벤 남바다 제바레스 제가 남경아 저기 깜되기 인지다 깜되기 인지사 하나씩 찌디 얘랑 그때 껴버린 되어서 그랬어 되네 티고 신부디 깜되기 인지세도 산 응어서베 깜네 갱쿠르네 나 당랑게 지식이 있어 말로 지금 갱쿠르야 돼 그래 되게 남바데 저거 말해서
There's also a difference in the aspects or the attitude of the compassion. And the reason for this is that in the listeners and the Pratyeka Buddhas, the self-Buddhas, have the compassion that is, may all sentient beings be free of suffering, that may they be free of suffering. Would it be good if they were free of suffering? But in the Mahayana, we take the attitude or the aspect of the suffering as we're taking the responsibility. May I free all sentient beings from suffering. And so the difference is the difference between wishing that all sentient beings have a refuge and the wishing that we be the refuge for suffering. And so the wish that all sentient beings have the refuge is the wish of the compassion of the listeners and self-Buddhas, whereas the wish that we be the refuge, that we provide the refuge, is the wish of the Mahayana. It is the wish to take the responsibility. I shall free them from suffering and suffering. So to take that burden and responsibility on themselves. And so in this way, the aspects or the attitude of the compassion is different.
일단 네 개점을 좀 잘해야 할 정도. 가라서 남경아 저기 니네 건조사네 아니 지수려다 돼. 동해다 차와 교지 삼바르지 마다베 당원에 드네게 동해다 차와 지인 동해다 차와 지인 삼바르지다 동해다 차와 지다 진짜지기 간다로 초와 창고지 가지고 기여만 대마지디 단인지디 다 가슴 측점으로 차라 년가 뒤에죠 가슴 측점 소마로 다지 다리 아주 배배게 남주게지죠 가지고 카연주 게연주 게지셔야 저러다 게연주 니 연주 게자랬다 만디 게면주 게자 말아서 게연주 게자로 차라 년가 왔다 드네 인두산에 지주 밀레레베게 고만나로 지주 밀레레베게 코나 니지 게요 겁려 저와 간데 좀 순주산에 니지 띵리 게자나 매우나도 수반자송 니지 오늘 전에게 쩌마마이 밤 시타고는 니지 게소나 라니 드네 배나 매가 나올라 미붕지 나올래야 수수 류보디 미붕지 나올래야 취되는 식 초임도 끼지게 살라면 매직 건데위나 기지지 거디 쇠도 말아 다 텔레파치 남산 텔레 퇴학 탑신이 샤마도베 디나라 구르투야지다 디나라 데투야지 디나라 데네 쇠투야지 매 다가는 신경 가서 니지 쩌마마이 봐 니지 셰타바는 니지 계속나 데네 쇠도 매바지당 되미수바 지진 니제 매바 지라 간라라 두고 다 드리지 연구를 했어 이나 아주 인지디다 동해다 태월 교지 세마다베 딘데게 지 가르에 다치타 강타 삼바르 딘데지 쇠라메비 니지게 요마로 쇠라메비 초와게 요마로 근데 메주산 근데 아주 인지디 가장 지금 다지 게 연주를 좀 봐야 차도하게 인가요 알았어
I think that this is extremely important. Normally, when we talk about compassion, we say, may all sentient beings be compassionate. That's all we do. It's not like we think to ourselves, I've got to do something to free themselves from compassion. We don't have the thought, we don't have a really strong feeling of the suffering. And so for that reason, our compassion is often just words. We're just it's just words and going through the motions. In Tibetan, there's an expression that says it's only from the neck up. It's only that we're only mouthing it. In English, we'd say we're only mouthing it. And so there's the danger that we are only mouthing our compassion. So our compassion really should be, as Milarepa said in his song, and he described that when he first developed compassion, it said, he sang, "When I developed compassion from my depths, it was as if I was thrust into a blazing fire." And so when we have that strength of love and compassion that comes from the depths of our heart or the fibers of our beings, then it's as if we are thrust into a blazing fire. And if you're thrust into a blazing fire, then you can't even stay there for an instant. You immediately have to do something to get out of it. You do whatever you can to get out of it. There's no way you can bear it. There's no way you can just sit back and relax, sit back and stay in the fire. There's no way you can. There's no way you could bear it. And similarly, so for us, when we think about it, so when we develop compassion that comes from the depths of our heart or the fiber of our being, then there's no way you can bear it, and you have to and you think, what can I possibly do to help? How can I do this? But for us, our compassion is basically just, may they be free of suffering. We don't have this unbearable thought of, I've got to do something. What can I do to help? We don't have that feeling. And so I think there's a real danger that our compassion will just be merely words and that we'll be merely mouthing our compassion.
다 드네自动기 개발야. 다自动기 개발을 사데 동화 치중 사데 제외 동화 치중 개발. 제외 동화 치중 개발데 간다선 되네 티바면 만남기 되네 리베 남당 타에 배고네. 나 리베 남당서 계자면도 다 리베 남당 계자면다 균제 배 빠도 매배고네. 균제 망보삼네. 균제 초타다는 균제 망보삼네. 심진기 동네주 균제 망보삼네. 되네 니지 공고 말했어. 전주 사반 남기 되네 심진 탐제 동네주기 되네 초당 뒤당 오당 다 개발을 써봐 된대기 균세 가르쳐지 대세나 남랑만 몇거네 되네 지 가르쳐에 심지어도 동에서 심을 셔야 인도산에 디 개발을 되네自动 치중 개발해 알았어 되네 될 배샤는 인도산에 년랑기 니지데 되네 빡발라 메타포버도 버렸어 빡발라 메타포버도 버지레스 아니 전주 삼반남기 니지데 샤라 메타포버도 버지레스 야나니 드레지 순가래 야나니 되네 녀랑기 니지데 빡베 넘버도 버지레스 되네 전주 삼바데 샤이 넘버도 버지레스 나들이 인주산에 간다냐 드레지 가르쳐야지 그런 세외 동화 치중 개발해 알았어自动 치중 선에서 소소리야
In terms of the fervor of the compassion, there also is a distinction there. In the foundation vehicle, they don't consider the infinite different reasons of suffering or the different aspects of suffering. They do not meditate upon the infinite different ways that sentient beings suffer. Whereas for the bodhisattvas, they think about the suffering of the ways sentient beings suffer in many different ways. They think about it in terms of the direction, the time, the essence, the nature of the suffering, the particularities of the suffering, the different types of suffering, and so forth. They think about the many different ways that sentient beings are suffering, and so there is this distinction that comes in the longing that the fervor that accompanies the compassion. For example, with the listeners and self-Buddhas, the compassion, it's like a spark falling on the skin. Whereas with the bodhisattvas, it's like the spark getting into your flesh. And so in this way there is a very great difference between the longing. It's like the difference between the skin or the surface and getting into the flesh. And so this is the difference in the scale of the extent of the fervor of the compassion.
제라는 경아주 부직비 마다우사지 기르시고 부직비 마다우스도 아마지 부직만 내가 말스타디 지 공배 인세나야 부디제 자외 믹세나야 부디제 간다라야 지 가르에 유에 메메르디 부디 유세디다 부디 이미 인주산 디균zel 되네 딱 간다라 텔레야 제외 동화 쉬우지요네 되는 신지기 당가들 제외 동화 사례 초타다네 아주 심지어 탐제 동예주의다. 심지어 탐제 오늘전에 초탐제니 가르웨지 심지어야 심구르 야첨부지 랭과데 계십니다. care
So it's like a mother who has only one child. If a mother has only one child, that one child is her be-all and end-all. It's everything she has. The child is everything for her. And so everything that child is everything for her. And so for that reason, she has such intense feelings for that child. And so it's similar with the compassion. We think about it from all different aspects in all different manners. So when we consider sentient beings from all different sides and all different directions, then we have this wish to take care of them, this greater, more intense wish to take care of them.
다 젤레 요한도 쉐베임비네야 티범메만 남인지라 렌라와 요아레스 렌라와 와스도 산 파지 인지 쉐벌 때는 다 될 때는 지 야보지 수용하라와 요아레스 티버 첨부 남지 파 야보 쉐벌 때는 수 야보 요아라와 미세 되게라와 지금 말아 드린 주사 디 준자 되는다 젤레 산한다도다 되게 차네네 야지 좀 해봐요 알았어.
Likewise, there's also a difference in the expectations for a return. The listeners in the Self-Buddhas have the hope that they have the hope for a return on their compassion. In other words, by being compassionate to the other, they hope for something in return. And Bodhisattvas have no hope at all that by being compassionate they will gain a return. And so in this way, there's a difference in the hope for a return.
Pena ngwengi sange gerab disu nalo yare sange gerab disu pena gerab disu nalo leya energy karwe korangi ene so le tang de karwe ji shen dewe de rang so ya le tang an so ya le de sane le tang be nego le malam de tene ngaram tene karwe nego 지 펜바다 타도도 대화 에너지 탈바다 탐지 게임에 공부하다 발라서 되게 체도 많이 있어. 심지어 버리부터라 되는 대화 용나 선바르지 타지도 대화 용나 선바지 마다베 장기 된도 내급기 개변다 파샤는 타도기 개변 인상이야 라와메 봐. 이제 자주 선바남 도스도 와 자주 선바남 예배나 남가 타던 예 심지어 탐지의 체도 는 개와지사 개와 자와지사 받을 때는 되네 가르에 개와 자와지사 받기기 pen 지부대야 남가던 예 심지어 탐지의 체도 뭐 된저벽이 오와 쳐받을 때는 토백이 양 개와 자와 남가던 예 자와 총화 대야 남가던 예 심지어 탐지의 체도 뭐 된대체는 딱 안들 체 셰도 매베 개와 자와사 티사바들 때는 세셰도 매베 오와 제 땡오와 제바들 때는 세셰도 매베 개와서 와지 톱 태양 세셰도 매베 거는 다 오와로 주셰 인지사네 다 간다르 저주선배기 가수래지 면함 오와도 면함 되네 되네지 가수래다지 세메 세셰도 매베 로 탐제리야 들베 되네 렌라레와 딘주서메와 렌라레와 중세게메와 tende jirbe le don zge yebre tring du stane da di tende du de nga sam sha gwa nga sam sam de ji so je lega sambor che na ya lam sa ji mi ju ji de ya Döra da ta mi mo sambor ji da mi ju de le ngule de che mi mo sambor da di yor ba ina cha ju sam ba ge lo jang du stane tende da ko le la de wa me ba de ko lo jang gwa de ke chi mi sa
So we can see an example of this in the Jataka tales, the tales of the Buddha's previous lives. There are many stories where he sacrifices his life for the sake of sentient beings, and when he does this, the aspiration that he makes is that by me doing this in the short term, may this not bring me temporary benefit or the happiness of the ultimate happiness or omniscience. May this be for the benefit of all sentient beings. And so when he made these aspirations and sacrificed his life in this way for the sake of sentient beings, then there's no need to mention even wishing for a temporary benefit for himself. He didn't even wish for the ultimate benefit for himself. And so the Bodhisattva is like this. Whenever they'd even do a single virtue for the sake of all sentient beings, or as limitless as space, then they do not wish for any benefit or result for themselves. Instead, they dedicate, they hope that it be for the benefit of all sentient beings, and therefore they dedicate that root of virtue for the benefit of all sentient beings, all immeasurable sentient beings. And because of that, then that dedication is an immeasurable root of virtue, and they dedicate that immeasurable root of virtue again for the sake of all the infinite sentient beings. And so in this way, the dedications and aspirations of the bodhisattvas are immeasurable. There's absolutely no hope at all for a return. Instead, they dedicate all of their virtues to the benefit of all sentient beings, and then they dedicate the virtue of dedication to the benefit of infinite sentient beings. So this is something that we need to keep in mind. Usually when we do something good, then we're hoping that other people will say, oh, that was a good thing to do. We're hoping for some respect and for some recognition of this. But if we're training in bodhicitta, then it is important for us to train in having actually absolutely no hope for results.
다들 또 치종 개와요. 또 치종 개와다 가라서나. 다네 전주 선반 남기. 다네 깨망고 윤 조망고 타. 차가에 내라. 깨망망부 윤다. 조망부 타다. 다네 차가에 내라 소발라 다네 지고매와. 진짜게 인도지 거자. 단도는 배 체르체르로네. 나간다 이제 토네 인지부기가 알아. 대저버지 이는 예란데 졸라 매버지 숨겨와래. 근데 인주산에 다 들려야 깨바사데 깨신 찍리야. 깨신 찍이 윤디지 세윤류. 다디 오늘은 상기규 매스 랍샤난 디사르 섬서로도 나 깨신 찍이 윤지 세세주산 베베 카르초베 윤지베 윤징타르 chen 다 텔레파 상기규 매스 랍샤나 디사르 섬서로 찍디 상기규 연도 가버지 양 깨신 찍이 윤디 지세 윤주산은 된다 버지 다 된지 수 곡토 상산으로 되는 용도 하는 윤주산에 기균zel되는 다 간다 깨바 망부 윤리야 저주서만은 수만은 심지지기 되려야 깨바 망부 윤라 되네 심지지기 되려야 깨바 망부 윤라 배바 배즈 간데 차고 충분히야 디 지기 인상바로 되지 가서 닝도 비어비 유산에 대더버지 네 니랑날 요 말해서
there's also a distinction in the power of their compassion. And the way that there's a difference in their power is that for the bodhisattvas, they're willing to perform even the most difficult of difficult of acts for innumerable kalpas, for innumerable sentient beings. And the more difficult it is, then the stronger their courage, the stronger their armor of courage gets, and the stronger their compassion grows. But the listeners and self-Buddhas do not have such compassion. Like when we talk about doing this for eons, if we think about the duration of a single eon, if you really think about the duration of a single eon, then it's like, oh, there's no way I'm going to become a Buddha in that time. So the duration of a great eon is so extremely long that you think it's so long that you think there's no way you could achieve Buddhahood. And so a single eon is just something that it's so long we can't get our heads around it at all. And the bodhisattvas will strive for the sake of a single being for many eons. And they think that they will strive hard for the benefit of any single sentient being for eons. And so they have that courage to do this. And the listeners and the self-Buddhas do not have such courage.
니랑 찬심라 니지 예번 자나야 다지 니지기 캐버미죠 다도 수여되 비말에 드네비 윤자나 때네 지당기 니지 사디 심제네 수미 수수기원의 상계사에 봐도 예비네야 때다 캐버미죠 망고용되게 하래
And so, in this fashion, the listeners and self-Buddhas and the bodhisattvas are similar in having compassion, but there are various different distinctions or differences in their compassion. And so, in this way, all beings, from the sentient beings up through the Buddha, are the same in having compassion, but there are different levels of their compassion.
Today, Yusane Namgyun. 다텔에 숭담으로 가시지 가르송어랬잖아 치료발이야 닌지 요래데 닌지 챵보요 말에 니란데솔라 닌지데 닌지 챵보요래데 이나 투지요 말에 장주선바데솔라 투지 예나야 투지 챵보요 말에스 상계라 탐제 요아레스 this one out of jig
And so there's something that's often said about this. It's said that the non-Buddhists have compassion, but they do not have great compassion. The listeners and self-Buddhas have compassion and great compassion, but they do not have... This is a translation issue here. We don't have honorific in English. So they don't have what we would say noble compassion, for lack of a better term.
Yeah, noble compassion.
Now the bodhisattvas have noble compassion, but they do not have great noble compassion, whereas the Buddha has all the different types of compassion and noble compassion.
다디 리시 야오션 가라 하고 싶으시래. 다디 디가 니지데 니지 셴보다 간지세 되니. 다들에 양 가시했잖아. 양 가시했잖아. 가르라잖아. 되네 투지 셴보사다 니지 셴보사다 찍버렸어. 제자 투지 셴보대야 전주서만 투지 셴보 야래서. 다오나 되네 이나 투지 셴보들라 넘버 니수첸 투지 셴보들 넘버 니수첸 되네 줍세기 투지당 리뷰 투지사 넘버 니수첸 줍세기 심지기 된 줍세 투지성으로 다 줍세기 투지사데 아니 심지기 가르쳐다 서주 균대 받아요. 알았어. 주제 두지사. 주비 두지사데 상계 코네 줄이 알아서 하지. 다 들에 직송.
So actually, it's a little difficult to give a complete explanation of what is meant by all these different types of compassion, great compassion and noble compassion and so forth. Some people say that actually when we say great compassion, that this is actually the same as the great noble compassion. And they say that they say that bodhisattvas also have great noble compassion. But they say that there's a distinction between these different types of great compassion. There are two different types. Great noble compassion. There is the great noble compassion that is the means, and there's the great noble compassion that is the result. And so the great noble compassion that is the means is the great noble compassion that is in the continuum of bodhisattvas up through the limits of existence. In other words, up through the last moment before Buddhahood. And then there's the great noble compassion that is the result, and this only Buddha has. Only the Buddhas have this.
야셰나는 직시주사네. 전주선만남래야 되는 투지 첨부 매부터 맞아 투지야 야 말했어. 투지사데 상계 권한이 예외 다 계주를 지래. 되는 주사네. 전주선부터 저래 니지마도 투지야 말했어. 다내 망고시야. 다들 좀 망고시에도 쳐스게요 말다 간다. 다디 지단 베스다 거블이야 남장으로 시에고 하도 개침이 있어래. 이내야 다다당 안 하소라. 근데 남장 시에 되나 쳐스게요 말해. 벤타기지 녀랑라 매바당 전주선부터 예바도 시에 되마도 시다요 말다. 간다 녀랑라 매나매 전주선부터 예나요. 소소라 요 말들이 두산에더니 다 되게 가서 이제 다 망버지 시에 되마도 지시라 쳤게요 만.
Now there are others who say that the bodhisattvas don't have great noble compassion. They don't even have noble compassion. These are only something that the Buddhas have. At any rate, there are many different discussions about the different ways that the bodhisattvas have compassion, the different types of compassion. But there's actually not a whole lot of point to these, you know. When you're studying the different texts, maybe there's some point in understanding the different types of compassion in terms of your studies, but actually in terms of doing it, there's not a whole lot of need to know the difference. Whether or not the listeners and bodhisattvas lack compassion, if they lack compassion, they lack compassion. If the bodhisattvas have compassion, they have compassion, but we lack compassion. And so for talking about it a whole lot doesn't make a whole lot of difference.
나다 내인주산단 너랑 권도시반나시 전주사만은 니지사데 초도 교바지 미인주산 초도 교바지 뭐듯이 잡는 신기 수수단 단 매주체가 충고 매바시비 체가 데드가스 카이쇼 카쇼라쇼 서버 다드가지 내가 지기 되는 데데데 냠도 데 니지사데 수수기 지 가르쇼에 내가 지기 되는 냠도 지 니지사데 지 카쇼라쇼로 직제제 레라부터 직제야 요 말았어. 데는 매바시 매주체 닝타번에 가장 쓰더만이면 닝타번에 제거하지는 매바 도마시 제거하지. 양의 양도 제거하지. 다들 지 청거하래. 이제 대균산에 때네 지점식이 엔티버시묘의 최대 가르쳐 자체하당 띵사원이 만나신 대점식이 하는 안쪽이 매바 차고 제거하지. 청거 얼마다비 다 디버시묘 자신벌 야벌에서 가르쳐 대바지 가르쳐 바지 깨져 지부시하는 거지. 냠돼야는 거지. 말해 돼. 냠서 내야래. 냠돼야 말해. 드레인주산에 디균제 되는 다지 참이 들린 매바 제거하다 개점이 있으래.
At any rate, the bodhisattva's compassion is really the greatest compassion. And so just as that's the greatest compassion, that means that we really have to strive at it very hard. We need to strive from the bottom of our hearts. it's not just something where if you speak about it, it naturally happens. It's not like as you are doing things and thinking about compassion that it naturally comes. It's not easy like that. It's something you have to put effort into. It's not just something where you can mouth it or say words. You have to really try hard, and you need to strive at it repeatedly, over and over again. And so the more profound, or the more profound the Mahayana Dharma, the more difficult the Mahayana Dharma, the more we need to put our own efforts into doing this. And so it's not enough just to say, oh, the Mahayana Dharma is sacred, the Mahayana Dharma is wonderful, and speak of this. It's not like we can just say these high words and show off about them. The Dharma is not something to show off about. This Dharma is something that we need to put effort into practice.
Yeah, these are serious sympathy, the empathy side of the Karwe, the Shania Karwe. 심구르자다 현재 제외 상바들선 하드웨어 디스머버다지 당분간 아주 개연되는 행계 열에서 이렇게 지셔로다 보고 춘준디솔에 열에서 배는 보고 춘준 지금 무용나 보고 춘준 집안 만장도 지금 무용나 아니 보고 신다들 냠도 무용에서 다디 가서 평균 초화신이 예배 다래서 간다 평균 제외 상바 예배 다래서 되지 시야도와 이나야 땀만이 버질래야 unfortunately 지글이야 아는 아주 이 제외 상바 승구르 상바된 베네 로고 잡는 신기 on off 쳐야 그래서 고 잡샤다 고 쳐셔야 그래서 드린도 아주 이디 딱 그 살롱 중단 그리고 난 살롱 가르버듯이 살롱 중단 되네야 고 경기 왕기 대바 turn off som어버듯이 고 잡샤야 그래서 미망고지 고 잡샤 그래서 난 잡아면서디 내가 주도민도 선사로 증거로 봐 뭐디 점리마신 니외걸이야 아주디 German Jewish 말로 냥아 게라치부 주바디 가라디 Jewish 봐 Jewish 냥아 게라치부 Jewish 냥아 게라치부 저래 디날 지티셔래 당보디 나치 디서머 나치기 미디즈에 안 당보 마셔도 주의서 봐 마셔 왜 왜? 다 가리나 지원다. 안하게 야부증은 마셔도 주디잖아. 그 기자 가시에메스. 텔레아지 가시 로봇체메스. 그래서 아 마셔 민장. 땡아데 주도 가민도스. 다드네 니베텔라 그 주시디스 신로도스. 드디어 그 기자 가시에메스. 그 냥아지르다. 그래서 알아 주시 민장은 기자 가시에메스. 데 주도 가민도스. 진짜리야 고좀 안 주갈래요도 상안 주갈래요도 에디디 나래야 로봇이 기지신게 수지민도라 아다디 미상으로 되는 시체 나단 잡아매면 인상 알아 주도민도 섬사로지 타마르도 이제 수수가 알래요도 사네 되는 미신다가 주도 지금 말로 다 수수 바삼 되는 다른 미신다 섬 되는 주던 거로 어다 디디 체제 드레인 두산 디균센을 때네 가당 아주 넘균지 랑드 이제가 상바도 쇼첨부 예비인사 나단 잡아민도 나라 레렌 가민도 세상 악기 녜들 카타고야 녜게시야고야 가민도 선사로 봐 유연적으로 봐 어다 딘데게 통하네 딱 가더라 뭐 잡샤야 알았어 세상 아주 상마로래야 정신 행계기 니지 사베엄 니지 자와로 좀 알아서래야 행계기 치중을 만들면 아주 상마로래야 내내 여러 삼층
It's like many scientists these days, when they talk about sympathy and empathy, the capacity to care for others and have affection and love for others, they say that this is hardwired into us, that this is naturally present, and that even little babies will have it. And for example, if one baby starts to cry, then other babies will also start to cry at the same time. And the scientists say that this is a sign that they have empathy for each other. They can feel what the other is feeling, and they feel empathy and sympathy for it. But unfortunately, it's like that capacity for love and affection that we have within all of us. It's like there's an on and an off switch in there. And it's like it's been turned off because of the makeup of our nervous systems and energies and so forth. Because of circumstances, that can be turned off, and we think, I'm not connected to that person. I'm not related to them. It's not my business. I don't need to worry about that. It's like in the Second World War, there was when the Germans were rounding up the Jews, there was a famous poet who wrote at that time, who said, when they came for the communists, I did not say anything. I didn't care. I didn't say anything. It's not my business. When they came for the Jews, I did not say anything. I did not do anything. I'm not Jewish, I'm not a Jew, it's not my business. When they came for me, then there was no one to come and help me and so forth. So I'm paraphrasing here because I don't remember exactly. But at any rate, everyone is like this. They think, that's not my business, I'm not involved in that, it's not my business. But when you think about that, when they come for you, then who is going to be come to your aid? And so it's like this. Because we have such a strong selfish attachment, we always think, it's not my business, I'm not involved in that. And so because of this, it's like the naturally present compassion, it's like it's been turned off. But regardless of that, we all have, regardless of our size, regardless of the different scale of it, we all have the root or the seed of that naturally present inherent compassion.
창원 심슈파 제 다 나랑기 배전을 지 나랑 배전을 쉬하를 심슈파 제 지보다 나도 상만 지구 인사 나를 여는 강조다 용시브레 상도 나 준준 걸려다 로신 로싱아 겁도 봐 에너지 심진세요 당 아주 배율이야 땡가 심진세래 야도 세래 리세베 겁이야 되네 다 닌지 좋아서면 다 닌지 친이 받게 인기 말다 인비는 다 간다 제외 상바르지래 제외 상바 그 제마만 인바 에너지 쇼장고 유리게 디디산에 되는 치모 와메도 쇼로 다나 신기 르보데조 가르셔지 수보데조 이네 깔라트조 이네 잡잡제 되는지 깔라트조 가르 다가다 쇼첨버르지 되는지 아나 중저도 스키기 안드린 두산에 디고리아다 닌지고르 점마 메이브르 게레 다 디가고 초아당 하나도 세버를 챙겨도 다 디젤이야다 지 베셔름 데다 드네 까마버는 문제체 되는 베셔 되네 림베신도 지 가르로에 숑침모 나바상기 비숑리아 퇴섬랑녀르 체도 숑침모도 대체레 다들이 디스 차르 저거 섬서로 저아래 다 알레 하버지 야게 친선 예매냐 아나타다 삼단 주산 나랑 그 충두기디 가르르다 초와 텔라 다당랑 그 죄매기 삼로 가서 담이냐 나르 죄만 뭐인비 지 로텔이야 지 가르르에 죄만 뭐인비 로데 genjur tungju를 하버지 다당 아주 삼로배 죄네 삼로 가서 담대비네 나르티기 나르기 죄만 뭐인비 삼바디기 대 야에 차다 똥도 차래야 then Jamie Weber was on the do. Other drink to Santi, Junsen Dene, yes, some of that taking around a share of Cartier or that Jumingi Samasadi, when the Chanegi Carsuadaji, when a Halevaj red was some sort of delivery chance on. Other drink to start passion some shire. Today, Donna, Marado Same Gulia, Tada Gevek Saviam, Gawa Thomas of the Gave some Thomas of the Maybe Vinia. 대랑 아주 짜심부터 아주 구조스는 계속 주주사나 최군조를 계속 줘야 해. 최군조를 계속 줘야 되는데 최선바디 다들 수수 규리에 대해 개별 싸워야 최 오늘 선바선한다 말다. 최 잼바르부디 선바르부디 대 수수 규리야 예대비 개외섬도 쳐요래 제가 되게 들이야 최고조는 식 두시기엔 될 자체부지다 개체부를 지제 근데 마냥바 고내 공배도 용하게 매주 채비나 된대행 가지고 팬도 용 그래서 정도 시험마다 네 가서에 다 생계기 다 가다 들지 시전을 지금 아주 예비인데 시전때 마냥바 차디 쉽지 개체부를 해서 정도
So to give an example from my own life, we're all the same, of course, but I think if I tell a little bit about my own life, it'll be easier for you to understand. When I was little, when I was like 4 or 5 years old, we sometimes had to slaughter livestock, slaughter animals. In the autumn, we would slaughter yaks or something, or animals such as that. And at that point, when they were slaughtering animals, I had real uncontrived compassion. It was so strong compassion. It was genuine compassion. It was so strong that I'd cry inconsolably, and it's like my limbs would become stiff. And I'd had this really strong sensation, a feeling of compassion, of uncontrived compassion in myself. And I really remember that feeling very clearly. Later, when I was recognized as the Karmapa, I had the opportunity to study texts, and I listened to and contemplated the great texts of Buddhist compassions, and I sort of thought that it would get better, it would get stronger and improve. But really, when I look back at that feeling of uncontrived compassion that I had when I'm young, then all of the contrived thoughts of compassion that I've had cannot compare with that previous uncontrived compassion. They're not even the 100th part or even 1,000th part of that uncontrived compassion. There's no way that they can compare with even the tiniest fraction, the 100th or the 1,000th part of that previous uncontrived compassion. And so the feelings that I have is that I think that really it's amazing that uncontrived true compassion is really an amazing, wonderful thing. And so this is, just something, an illustration that I'm giving from my own experience. But I think that normally we all have within ourselves, we all have the roots of virtue within ourselves. We all have some, at least subtle, virtuous attitude within ourselves, and it's really important. We need to treasure this, and we need to consider it sacred. Normally, we go for refuge to the three jewels, and when we go for refuge to the three jewels, I think that root of virtue, that tiny virtuous mind and attitude that we have within ourselves, that itself is we can think of that as being the jewel of the Dharma. We can remember how sacred and important that is. And then it is very important for us to really try to make sure that not decrease and instead increase. So it is very important for us that naturally present, that innate fundamental compassion not decline or not be diminished.